What's going on? Mr. Dave here. Whew. All right, turn the camera around, aim it at yourself. We have poured some concrete, as you saw in the very beginning of this quick little short video we're going to do right now, and we are going to talk about the pro tip of tie wire spinners when you are putting pegboard in, and also how we put the pegboard in on this particular project here, and we're getting the ball rolling. This is going to be the strategy we use to finish out all the rock work on this ginormous pool, which is extensive. All right, so let's flip the camera around, my hand being that way. So all these pieces started off on the bottom only. We just made these pieces to start, and then as we filled it up, we pulled the wires, pushed it in, and then kept working our way up. So these kept being added in. This one is just put in at the last portion of it, and a few places to pull it in, and we push it in with our knee. The key is the little spinner thing. This one over here has not been done yet, but it's already preset with the wires down in there, if you can see that. And they're all the way out here, and so you can get down underneath here and fill this in, and then as you fill it in, you push it in and hold it, and then you put your little spinner thing, if I can, and then you just tighten it up, and then that pulls this whole piece of pegboard in snug. You do it on all those other corners, and you can get a nice filled in spot there in a real tight, dense little area there. This thing we cut notches in to get the rebar reset back in. This is the finished surface. We want to try and keep that in this project. And so this pegboard trick with the spinner, put in the wires, preset them, they're all loose and big, allowing for us to put our concrete in here, which has got a little bit of a fast set in it as well. Lots of acrylic. All right, so that's like this very cool little trick, getting that little spinner system going. And we did that with this whole thing yesterday, and so we're ready to pull those off, and we can reuse all those pieces of pegboard. That's the way to do it, I'm telling you. That's the way to do it. All right, see if I can hold this and not drop the phone. Have a great day no matter what. Remember, Jesus is coming back, so be ready. Get him in your heart, he'll clean you up and make a way to heaven where you, being imperfect, can be in the presence of perfection that is God. So Jesus is the way and the truth and the light. All right. He's a good guy. He loves you no matter what, and he's very patient. So even though you're a butthead sometimes, he's still waiting for you to have him come into your heart and clean you up, make you able to be in the presence of God when you breathe your last breath here on earth and begin your first breath in heaven. Yeah, you want to be in heaven. It's way better than the other place. All right. So Mr. Dave here, be thankful and forgiving, gratitude. Live your life in a spirit of gratitude, because it can always get worse. It really can. So God bless you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and have a great day no matter what. We'll see you next time on the Rock Pile. Bye. Oof.